Would you like a bright and beautiful breakfast or snack just full of fresh fruit? This smoothie bowl could be the answer. It is the most amazing fuchsia color, full of tropical fruit, and something you'll always look forward to. Like most smoothies, we do start with a little banana, but our fruit here is frozen, so I'm using frozen mango and pineapple chunks. The banana I froze in advance into some slices. And I also am going to use some coconut milk. For dragon fruit, though, I am going to use smoothie packs. I buy it in these frozen packs of this bright colored dragon fruit. The reason I do that is dragon fruit can come in these 3 different looks. At least this is what I've found. But when you open them up, you can see they don't all have the same color inside. So buying these smoothie packs is the only way I can guarantee I get the look I want. So I'm going to take one of those packs and just kind of put it in a cup of water to start thawing a little bit. And then I'm going to measure out my other fruit. I'm going to do a combination of pineapple and mango. Here you can do one or the other if you'd rather. I just am in the mood for a combination today. And just get a cup, at least a cup total, plus the frozen banana that I already have ready. And then the coconut milk I buy in cans where the cream kind of settles up to the top. So I'm going to get a combination of the cream and the milk. Again, you can buy the stuff in the carton and then you just pour it out as it comes. Then I check my smoothie pack and sure enough, it's thawed out enough. All you need it to be is thawed out enough to be able to squeeze easily out of the pack. And then we can just start adding the fruit to either your blender or what I'm using today is a food processor. And just kind of the mango and the pineapple, the banana, and now that smoothie pack, I of course cut the top off of it and can just squeeze it very easily now into the food processor. And then also my coconut milk. We'll just put the top on and start pulsing it a little bit. Now, especially with frozen fruit, I like to start pulsing it first, just to break it up, give it a chance to break up a little bit before you pulse or before you process more steadily. And especially depending upon how kind of your proportions of frozen fruit to cold or room temperature type ingredients. Sometimes it'll clump up and then I'll take the top off, move it around a little bit, and then start processing again. And you can see it. Sometimes it takes a couple of steps, but it will get to the point where it is processing into kind of a smooth solution. This looks lovely. And if you take a spoon to it, you can see that how it just kind of scoops out. It looks a lot like soft serve ice cream. So much so that even when my second little scoop here, my spoon is cold enough that I can actually twirl this around and it won't slide off. So that is exactly what we're looking for. I will now take this and transfer it to a bowl. This does make just one serving. If you have a very large blender, you can probably make 2 servings at a time. I just make 1 at a time and eat them as I go. This isn't the kind of thing where you make up a couple of days worth and save it. It's best when it's made fresh and enjoyed right away. So just make sure you have scraped every delicious morsel of your smoothie bowl into that bowl. And then we will garnish with a little bit of fruit and any other garnishes of choice. I did, in fact, toast a little bit of coconut, which is a nice addition. You'll see that I'm picking up a lot of the same flavors as what I put in the smoothie itself. So I put coconut milk, so now I'll add some actual coconut. I sometimes like to add a little bit of chia seeds just because a little extra fiber in everyone's diet is a good thing. But then I also very specifically like to add fresh fruit. And I lucked out that I found a lovely fruit tray, if you will, of mostly tropical fruit. And it had dragon fruit in, of course, the white variety, but that makes a nice garnish. Also some kiwi. And then the perfect additions are some pieces of fresh mango and some fresh pineapple. So as you can see, I managed to find flavors to mimic everything I put in this bowl. Added a little pop of color with that strawberry, and then this bowl is ready to enjoy. It's bright, it's beautiful, it's full of fruit. This is the kind of thing that will brighten your day any day, for breakfast, for snack, even for dessert. It's just a really great way to enjoy sweet and delicious fruit. I hope you give it a try, because if you do, I know you'll love it. Enjoy.